Yeah, the source material does not beat around the bush at all. It makes a bold claim that modern people are becoming less and less wise specifically because of how we get our information.
Okay, so how does this argument work? Well, it's laid out in what the source calls the information hierarchy. Think of it like a ranking, a ladder that goes from the sources that supposedly enrich us the least all the way to the ones that enrich us the most.
So let's actually start at the bottom of that ladder. The source lays out what it calls a trajectory of decline. And we're going to explore its ranking of the channels it claims are the most, well, detrimental to the human soul.
And here we have it, the source's hierarchy of what makes us foolish. At the absolute bottom, number 1 is AI, which it argues turns humans into soulless tools. Just above that, short videos. Yeah, you know the ones. Compared here to 10-second mating-like pleasure. Then we have television, which it claims just floods us with trash information. Moving up a bit, we get newspapers and magazines, seen as a way to crowd out real reading. And even popular literature gets called out for supposedly wasting our time and teaching us no method of thinking. Wow.
Let's zero in on that short video point for a second. The source is really critical here, boiling it down to just 10 seconds. 10 seconds of pleasure. That's the core of the argument against it. That quick, fleeting hit of engagement.
And if you only have 10 seconds of pleasure, what does that leave you with? Well, according to this argument, absolutely zero. Zero room for reflection. In that quick hit, there's just no space for deeper thought. No time to really consider what you've just seen.
So, before we go any further, this is a good spot to kind of pause and ask yourself, honestly, where do your daily information habits fall on this hierarchy? It's definitely something to think about.